And before we go further, I'd like to bring you here a medrash like this. On the posuk, "Nirdefola das," we shall pursue. Oh, they seen it on fast. So the Chabom have connected this to the following: Omer Rav Telba, Omer Rav Huna, Kol hayotze beis hakneses al yifsa b'sia gas. When a person goes out from shul, he shouldn't go out as fast. He should go out slowly. And in Lavsim b'sia gas. Now it says here, Omer Abaye, no more than Elevenof. That means only when he goes out. Hours with the aisle, but he goes in the shul. Mitzvah the Merahi. It's a mitzvah terat. Shenema the neido nirdevo the da'at seseshe. So he is only immortal that the anxious, the eager in the pursuit of HaKadosh Baruch. So that was the upwelling, feeling of Teshuvah in Ephraim.